Hello again, everybody. It's Harry Boxer, the Technical Trader, and it's Thursday, July the 14th. These are the charts of the day. Markets been having a difficult time of late, and today was no different. Downside pressure, but still quite a few stocks that we follow had some pretty good sessions. So let's take a look at some. And over the weekend, we'll go over some boxer shorts. But right now, Agilicis, one of our swing trades, is doing very well. As you can see, after the big breakaway gap and explosive move here, it consolidated and has been stepping its way higher. Today up another 29 cents or 3%, but to new multi-year highs, the highest level reached in about a little bit more than a year, 52-week high anyway. So we're looking for a move that takes us up to at least the 10.5 range, but likely we could see the stock at 12 or so, up at the March, April highs of last year. That's what we're looking for. Up next is ELGX. And the logic's acting very well despite this collapse from this rising flag pattern. The stock right here, the stock stabilized and snapped back yesterday, again today for a move back of 3%, and it's maybe filling this gap and may resume the trek that it was on before, which should lead it to a test of that 10 range. But what I'm looking for more so is a move to the top of the channel up around the 11 and a quarter zone. GLUU had a good day despite the market jumping to nearly 6. This is a new 3-year high, almost 4 years. And looking at a daily chart, you'll see that the stock today popped across that and that. This is a double top area of resistance that was pierced yesterday, but it backed below it. Today it ran back above it, up 36 cents or 6.5%, 5.5 million shares traded. Certainly looks like this stock wants to head towards 7.5. That remains our target. Big day for ICGN. I've been telling you all along that the stock, which had exploded at the end of June, had formed a perfect but textbook coil or wedge, and today exploded from 610 to 820, closing at 789, up $1.84, 30.5%. Huge volume of 5.5 million shares. This stock may not be done yet. I'm looking for more extensive move up towards the 9-10 range, something of that nature short term. Big day for Jazz Pharmaceuticals, up 209 in a lousy market and breaking out of a 5-day flag. The stock is now extended to new all-time highs. As you can see, we're in new lofty territory here, but the long-term channel that I've drawn in here indicates to me this could be as high as 50 or better somewhere in the next few weeks. MBI had a pop today on news of a settlement with B of A. Key move from 8.95 to 10.36, closed at 10.02, up 84 cents or 9%. More than 10 million shares traded. That's the biggest volume since mid-April. At this point, I wouldn't be surprised to see the stock quickly follow through to near the 10 level. Secondary target up around 12. OCZ continues to press forward. After breaking out of the coil last week, it's edged up nearly every day. It looks to me like it wants to go higher. The top of the channel right now it measures in the 1920 zone, but I'll look for a short-term target at 14. I do believe we're going to see that. Pervasive Software with a big day. Gapped, opened at 7, ran up to 793, backed off, but closed up 76 cents or 11.5% on the biggest volume this stock has traded, 517,000 shares in more than a year. Looks like we may get an extension of the move, and if so, I'm looking for a move to about the 8.5 level. QTWW only up 23 cents or 4.3%, but very good on a day like this. Lateral price resistance here may soon be taken out as this little mini flag should resolve itself and a move up towards the $8 range. My trading target may take place. Another good day for Reddit. It popped 89 cents or 7% and 2 million shares traded. That breaks it out of this flag pattern and could lead to a move towards the 14.5 range short term. In the immediate term, looking for 17.5, 18. SCEI has a big session for that stock, breaking out of a multi-month down channel, moving back across the 50-day moving average, closing just above it. And at this point, with a 44-cent gain or 30.5%, the stock could be beginning a new uptrend, which should at least take it to around a 290 area, my short-term target. Secondary target up around 4. One of our favorites this year, soda up another $1.90 today. reversing the little pullback it had when it spiked up near the 80 level a week ago. But resumption of this trend may be at hand, and a move to the 79.80 zone very well may likely take place. We'll keep close tabs on that one. And lastly, ZAG today. ZAGG had a nice move back from 14 to 1487 before settling back. It was near unchanged on the day, 2.5 million traded, but gave a good account of itself during a weak part of the market. I'm looking for a move up to retest this 15 to 75.85 range, but an intermediate target around 18, 18 and a half. And that's it for tonight and this week. Have a good weekend. We'll talk to you Monday night.